मेरे साथ बोलिए जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। भाग्यनगर की भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा के मेरे साथियों, आप सबको मेरे हृदय से बहुत बहुत अभिवादन और अभिनंदन। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। एनर्जेटिक स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट, my colleague in the parliament, under whose leadership Bharatiya Janata Party has written history in Telangana by winning Dubbaka, Bandi Sanjay Garu, Premendra Reddy Garu, my dear brother, Yuva Morcha State President Bhanu Prakash, and all my dear Karyakartas of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you so much for giving me such a warm welcome and all of your love. Thank you so much. Friends, Change Hyderabad is a massive campaign whose influence will not be restricted to the local body elections of Hyderabad. Change Hyderabad today will mean change Telangana tomorrow and change South India day after tomorrow. The whole nation today is watching Hyderabad. आज पूरा देश हैदराबाद के तरफ देख रहा है। साथियों, आज हैदराबाद में एक परिवर्तन का नया माहौल सृष्टि हुआ है, सृजन हुआ है। And the basis for this new change are the Samanya Karyakartas of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Friends, I come from Karnataka. I represent Bengaluru. There are millions and millions of Telugu-speaking people in Karnataka and in my own constituency of Bengaluru. In my interaction with the youth of Telangana, there is one thing that has always come to my mind. The youth of Telangana are one of the most talented, most capable, and most hard-working youth in the country. Friends, last year I had gone to the United States of America for a program of the party. The highest number of engineers, highest number of doctors, highest number of contributing people in United States of America come from the Telugu nation of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. You take any examination of the country, IIT exam ho, IIM का exam हो, NEET का एग्जाम हो, किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम को आप देखिए, टॉप 10 में लगभग 50% युवा तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश से ही आदर आता है. That is the kind of talent, the kind of hard work that young people of Telangana, they all have always been doing. But this state, unfortunately, in the last so many years, has not had good governance. Government is not working for the common people of Telangana. Government is not working for the common youth of Telangana. Government is working only for one family of Telangana. That is the difficulty of Telangana today. Friends, today I stand before you as a member of parliament, as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha. I come from a very, very common family like all of you. I am a Samanya Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. When I contested elections last year, I had 12 lakh rupees in my bank account. But my party identifies a Samanya Karyakarta, makes them a leader and makes them a national leader. That is the Bharatiya Janata Party. एक अति सामान्य कार्यकर्ता अत्यंत सामान्य परिवार से जो आता है वो राष्ट्रीय नेता बन सकता है, वो सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी में ही संभव है। ये हमारे पार्टी का विशेषता है। Democracy's definition has changed in Hyderabad. What did we learn in college? Democracy means system of the people, by the people, for the people. What is going on in Telangana and Hyderabad? Government and party of the family, by the family, for the family. आप किसी इलेक्शंस को देखिए, जनरल इलेक्शंस हो या बाय इलेक्शन हो, चेहरा कौन सा दिखता है? एक इलेक्शन में केसीआर, दूसरा इलेक्शन में केटीआर, तीसरा इलेक्शन में हरीश राव, और हैदराबाद में एक चेहरा अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी, दूसरा चेहरा असादुद्दीन ओवैसी। ये सब लोगों ने राजनीति को प्राइवेट एंटरप्राइज बना दिया है। These people have made public political parties into private companies. And today, the youth of Telangana, on behalf of all of you, on all your shoulders is a very, very big responsibility. What is that responsibility? That responsibility is to change the definition of democracy in Telangana and take it back to its original definition of the people, by the people, for the people. Only the Bharatiya Janata Party can do this. भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी एक व्यक्ति का पार्टी नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी नरेंद्र मोदी जी का पार्टी नहीं है, नड्डा जी का पार्टी नहीं है, अमित शाह जी का पार्टी नहीं है, मेरा पार्टी नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी हम सब का पार्टी है। दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी।